I want you to imagine two stick figure apartments. Same city, same street, almost the same rent. But inside, their financial realities are completely different. In the first apartment lives a stick figure earning a solid $95,000 a year. When you walk in, everything screams success. A giant TV dominating the wall, a $4,000 couch, kitchen stuffed with gadgets still in boxes, closets overflowing with clothes that have never been worn. Even the spare room has become a storage jungle of forgotten purchases. But this stick figure checks their bank account with anxiety. 2 missed paychecks, and everything collapses. Now look at the second apartment. The stick figure here earns just $52,000 a year. Walk inside and you'll see space, a simple couch, a normal-sized TV, a kitchen with only the tools that actually get used, clothes that get worn, a spare room that truly is a spare room. And this stick figure checks their bank account calmly. They have 18 months of savings and invest 20% of every paycheck. Same neighborhood, yet the one earning half the income has 10 times the security. This story isn't about earnings. It's about understanding the secret relationship between money and stuff. The high earner didn't destroy their finances with gambling or addictions. They simply built a lifestyle that eats every dollar they make. The low earner discovered something powerful. Owning less can create more freedom. So here are the minimalist money rules that separate people who always feel broke from people who quietly build wealth. Rule 1. Everything costs money twice. There's the price you pay and the price you pay later. Storage, maintenance, cleaning, mental load, and opportunity cost. A treadmill takes space you pay rent for. A boat drains money every year even if it never touches the water. And everything you own steals a tiny piece of your attention. Rule 2. Calculate cost per use. A $200 jacket worn twice is more expensive than a $400 jacket worn all year. When you apply cost per use, most impulse buys die instantly. A tool used weekly? Worth it. A gadget used twice a year? Financial poison. Rule 3. The replacement test. Walk through your home and ask, if this disappeared today, would I spend money to replace it? If the answer is no, it's not adding value, it's draining it. Rule 4. Never upgrade out of boredom. A phone that works is good enough. A car that runs is good enough. Boredom is not a financial emergency. Rule 5. Create friction for spending and ease for saving. Delete shopping apps. Wait 24 hours before buying anything non-essential. Automate your savings so it happens before you even see the money. Rule 6. Define enough. If you never decide what enough looks like, you'll keep chasing more forever. But if you set a limit, everything above that becomes wealth, not lifestyle. Minimalism isn't about owning nothing. It's about owning only what actually matters and letting the extra money build freedom instead of clutter. In the end, the question is simple. Do you want to own your stuff, or do you want your stuff to own you?